Hello, beautiful people. It's your girl again, Edisa. My real name is Tijesunimi Olakojo, but you can always call me Edisa. You know that. That's right. Today, I want to take us through 10 beauty commandments. Yes, beauty commandments 10. And I'm going to just, quickly go through it. And like I told you guys, this channel are going to be receiving beauty tips. Just stay tuned and stay subscribed. And yep, number one, I will always read the labels of beauty products. So what does that even mean? Guys, there are some beauty products that are not meant, there are some ingredients that are not meant for your skin. Like I told you in my previous videos, we have different types of skin. We have different skin types. We have the normal, dry, oily, combination, tough, sensitive. So you need to know the product, the ingredients that work for your skin. A product that has so much oil base is not good for oily skin. Do you understand? So for example now, a dry skin needs a lot of moisturizing and hydration, and so on and so forth. So let me just move on to the second one. Number two. I will feed my gut healthy probiotic rich foods. That's another deep one. Now, if you don't know, probiotic foods are foods that are rich in antioxidants. They are really healthy foods, and trust me, you don't want to miss out on probiotic foods. There will be a session. There should be, by God's grace, there should be a session on solely probiotic foods, antioxidants, like I told you, anti-aging is key. And once you are 25, even before that, but let's say 25, once you hit 25, you should start taking your anti-aging seriously. And foods are a very good way to enhance your skin. Number three, I will eat one beauty boosting food every single day. So, what are beauty boosting foods? Like I told you, foods rich in antioxidants, that will reverse the aging process. Foods rich in vitamins, vitamin D, vitamin A to C to K, and all these vitamins are very, very good for the skin, including collagen. Collagen and elastin are very, very good for the skin. Those are like building blocks, of the skin. Those are the ones, the though they are the ingredients responsible for the elasticity of the skin. So you can see that my body is not dropping. The reason is because the collagen is still intact. So please work on your collagen intake. Thank you. And all the other healthy foods. Number four, right? Number four, because I have it on this phone, that's why. I will always protect my skin from the sun. You need a cream or a moisturizer or your beauty products basically has to have SPF, and they have to be like ranging from 630 upwards, but you can still make do with 15. It's fine, but just make sure you're wearing SPF, especially now that we are in this summer beauty tips. We can even call this video summer beauty tips or 10 commandments for summer, 10 beauty commandments for summer. It's very, very, like, you want to go out in the sun and you're not putting on an SPF. You are sinning. You are sinning against your skin, and this skin is what represents you. It is what you wear. you know you don't want to meddle with it. You don't want to offend it. Your skin is what you wear. Your skin is what you wear before you wear your clothes. Your skin represents you. Wherever you go to meetings and everything, you don't have to put makeup on every single time. It's not every day you keep makeup on. And you know what they say, that the best foundation is a healthy looking skin. So you want to try that. You want to give that a thought. Okay, number five, I will always treat my skin with respect. Okay, that's what I just said. That's what I just said. Put your skin first. Priority, even before makeup. Makeup is good. I'm a makeup artist. I love my makeup. I did this makeup. As you can see, I'm even improving myself. This makeup has stayed for like hours and hours, and it's still all intact and everything. Yeah, but still, if the skin underneath is not good, guys, you will see it, because I'm not using any filter. and you just say, I should just be like, it is at this stage that she knew that she fucked up. You don't want to fuck up with your skin. Okay, sorry, I'm doing too much. But anyways, you get that. I'm not doing too much. Anyways, I'm being myself. Honest goddess. Anyways, moving on. Number 6 now, I guess. I don't know. Let's go back. Eh? One. Okay, number 1 is beauty products, right? Ingredients. 2, probiotic food, right? 3, beauty boosting food. 4, protect your skin from the sun. And 5, treat your skin with respect. Okay, number 6 now. I will do one thing for myself every single day. Put yourself first. Self-love, self-care. You need that. You need it for your mental health. You need it for your physical health. Put yourself first. Make sure you do something for yourself to make yourself happy. And of course, make sure you try and make people happy as much as you can, not at your own expense, because that's another topic for another day. Self-love is key, but you have to have healthy boundaries so you don't get burnt out, so you don't be a people pleaser. It is very, very important. And all these things, like I told you, beauty starts from the mind. It's actually an attitude. I can tell you that skincare is an attitude. Skincare is what? An attitude. So how you treat yourself, how you treat your skin, how you treat your, the skin is the largest sense organ in the body. It is everywhere, it's all over. We have all the sense organs, the tongue, the tongue, the eyes, the ears, and the likes. So, but the skin is the largest sense organ in the body, and you don't want to meddle with that. And you need to do something for yourself too. Apart from even your skin needs pampering. Even you yourself needs pampering. Okay. The next one is, I will nourish from where? Inside out. This is like, it's not a repetition actually. Trust me. It's not a repetition. But it is like, for the purpose, it cannot be overemphasized that you need to nourish yourself from inside out. So it doesn't have to be, it's food. Food is paramount. Then you can take supplements. Can take vitamin C supplement. Yes, I actually said I was going to. Oh, that's very nice. That reminds me. So as I was saying, you can take multivitamins. Take multivitamins. I take multivitamins. You don't have to stick to my own Vital Well. If you're in Nigeria or other parts of the world, if you don't have Vital Well, just take the multivitamins. Take vitamin D. I take vitamin D. I take vitamin D. I take vitamin D every single time. It's very good for us, even in the UK during the summer, during the winter. We need it. We need it. Blacks need it. And you need vitamin D for your skincare. It's very important. You need vitamin C. So I was telling you, you need vitamin C. So you need to take vitamins, so you can nourish from inside out. Now, collagen peels. I take collagen peels. I take collagen peels. I take it. Collagen is very, very good. So this one has collagen. It's hydrolyzed collagen peptides, which is very good. After reading it has biotin. Biotin is actually a very, very good one. I told you, take probiotic food. This has biotin. It has selenium. It has hydrolyzed fish collagen. Fish oil. Oh my goodness. Fish oil is very good. It's rich in vitamin E. So you see that you need all these vitamins. You need vitamin C and the like. So it has vitamin C. And I also take peel for my hair loss locks actually. Yes, because when I got to the UK, my hair suffered from massive breakage in due to the water and change of environment. Even my skin was shedding, my nails went off. So I guess I needed to, and then I started growing new set of nails, new set of skin layer, new, and I've been exfoliating. So of course you don't want to over exfoliate. Exfoliating is good, but as much as it is good, don't over exfoliate. It's a skin sin. And you can follow me on Instagram to know more about that, or follow us at TK's collection, TK's_collection, to know more about that. So these are hair locks, and this has a lot. It has vitamin A, D3, E, C, B6, folic acid, vitamin B12, biotin, pantothenic acid, zinc, iodine, choline, inositol. One other one you might want to consider too is magnesium. Magnesium oil is very good. We all need magnesium. So you have to nourish from inside out. I also have my vitamin C effervescent peel here. So I take lots of vitamin C. I even take orange. Orange is one of the richest. Citric acid is very, very rich in vitamin C. You can just take raw orange. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are very good for healthy looking and glowing skin. You cannot overemphasize that. Even if you take vitamins, they are not, they can't suffice. They are good, but you just need to take them raw and organic, farm to table if you can. Farm to table if you can. I strongly recommend that. Trust me. And you'll see you see a very, very good, you see a positive change. Now, the next one, I will not compare myself to others. This is a very bad thing ladies do. This is a very bad thing ladies do. And I'm saying that because not only ladies now, people generally. But I don't know why I just say ladies. Maybe a lady is watching this and really needs to hear that. Okay, I wanted to mention this today. This drug I bought from Boots. It's for skin, hair, and nails too. Is very, very good. So I have also the one of vitamin A to Z. It depends. This is also a pill containing biotin. So it depends. It was a friend that gave me this. It's vegan friendly, UK made, because depending on what you can. I don't take everything every day, of course, but you just take it as recommended. And for me, I'm a gummy person. I think because it's sweet. So I love gummies. So I chew gummies. I don't think I've even taken my vitamin D today. So I can take it in front of you guys. So you can see that this is actually oh my goodness. Vitamin D is very, very good for your skin. So what was I saying? Okay, I will not compare myself to others. Comparison is a thief of joy, and once your joy has been taken away, your peace is taken away. Please, what do you have left? Nothing. Sorry for that noise. What do you have left? Nothing. So you just need to know that your race is personal. Don't compare yourself. Try your best. Practice self-love and self-care. Self-acceptance is key. Self-acceptance is key. Self-acceptance is key. I'm saying that again. I don't know who needs to hear that. Self-acceptance is key. Just accept yourself, accept your stage, accept the level, and keep working to get yourself to get better. So don't compare yourself to others. I'm talking to myself too. There's a temptation to actually want to do it, but you don't want to. Trust me. I will always remove my makeup before going to bed. Please. This is one of the greatest things you can ever commit in beauty. Please don't do it. If you are going to bed, make sure you remove your makeup, no matter how tired you are. Even if you can't have your bath, remove your makeup. The next one, the last but not the least, I will always keep myself hydrated. Take lots of water. Take lots of water. You need it. Whether you have dry, oily. Water is life. Water is power. So I've come to the end of this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a like, give me a comment, let's know what you think about this video. This is like a random video. I just want you guys to know that these beauty tips, you need them in the summer, in the winter, any day, anytime. But now that we have a lot of sun outside, guys, you don't want to mess with the skin, because the sun has UVA and UVB, and you don't want it to tamper your skin. Like I usually tell my friends and people around me, whenever the sun is, I'm like, the sun is not my friend at this point, because I'm protecting myself from sunburn and from everything. So I just use my SPF, Okay, yeah, I have a sunscreen. And okay, so yes, I said, like I was saying, I have a sunscreen, and this is my sunscreen. I use it to just spray, that's one of the best sunscreens that you can use, are the spray ones. This has SPF of 50. You can see. So this thing is real. This also is real, and this sun is real. The sun in the UK at this moment, trust me, can burn your skin if care is not taken. And remember to cleanse. I'm going to do a video on skin scenes. And sorry about the movement of the camera. I'm going to do a movement about skin scenes. When I say skin scenes, what do I mean? These things you could be committing about your skin, and part of it is, remember to, when you don't double cleanse, there's something we call double cleansing. You can't just cleanse your face and then that's all. You need a cleanser and a toner. Remember, I usually say this, you need a cleanser and a toner. So you cleanse 2 times, so you can use your cleanser once and use your toner once, but make sure you cleanse 2 times, double cleansing. And once you do that, you apply your moisturizer, apply your SPF, your sunscreen. This is Malibu. You don't have to use Malibu, there are several ones in the market. And I'm available for influencing. If any beauty company is watching this, I do that often. Reach out to your girl. Yeah. All right. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Remember to subscribe, like, leave a comment on your notification bells, and invite your friends. Share this video. Let them know what is happening, what is going on. These are the things you need to know for your everyday life. You don't have to be an organic cosmetologist or a skincare person to practice self-love on your skin. Skin needs to be pampered. See you guys next.